Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems involving particle motion can be solved quickly by using the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus to relate velocity and position in just 3 simple steps. To find the position at time 2, we start with the initial position at time 0 and add the net change in position, which is the integral of velocity from 0. Since this integral is complex, we use a calculator to evaluate the definite integral of the velocity function over the interval from 0 to 2, yielding approximately 1.36. Finally, we add this displacement to our initial position of 3 to find the particle's location at time 2, which gives us 4.365. Let's go! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't drop the initial position. Always apply the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus for correct results.